This is the welcome screen of the NW Fit app. Tap Get Started. You'll now answer a few simple questions to create your personalized profile and plan. Type your preferred name. To adjust music or voice guidance volume, tap the music button above. Select your age. Tap Next. Choose your fitness goal. If you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve your endurance. Enter your height in feet or centimeters. Make sure the information you're adding is correct. Enter your weight in pounds or kilograms. Tap Next. Add your muscle mass if building muscle is your goal. If you're not sure or you don't know, just tap Skip. Select the body parts you want to target for muscle growth. If you want to target all, select Full Body. It also includes back muscle groups and leg muscle groups. Tap Next. Choose your experience level. Whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced in terms of strength training. Select your eating habits. Just be honest, these questions are for your personalized plan. Indicate your daily protein intake. Protein is essential in building muscles. Select your physical activity level. It's how active you are daily. Select any medical conditions that apply to you. Most major medical conditions are listed here. Please select carefully. If none apply, choose none of the above. You can set how many minutes you can commit daily or add a custom time. Select the intensity for your training: easy or light workout, moderate or average, challenging or hard workout. Select which days you want to have your workout session. Better to have a rest days in between. These are common gym equipment. Please select all equipment available to you for workouts. Your personalized workout plan will depend on the equipment you select here. Scroll down and select equipments depending on their availability. After selecting your equipment, tap Next. Enter your email account. Your email here will serve as your account when using the app. You need to add it when you are logging in. Then add your password. Your password should contain at least one number. Tap Next. You will see here the summary of the answers you've given earlier. Please double-check them, then tick the box to proceed. Tap the Get My Plan button. Next, view our subscription plans: 1 month, 3 months, or 12 months. Longer plans offer greater savings. We also provide a 1-week free trial to experience your custom workout plan. No charge, and you can cancel at any time. After choosing your plan, tap Continue and verify your payment using your phone's security features, such as face scan or double-clicking the power button. Once payment is processed, the app will create your custom workout plan based on your answers. Please wait a few seconds to a minute. The loading screen means the app is now processing your custom workout plan based on your goal and other fitness data you've given earlier. You will then be directed to your custom workout plan dashboard.